In this video, we're gonna show you how to clean the inside of the laptop. For this procedure, you will need just a couple simple tools like screwdriver and dust destroyer or dust remover. First things first, you need to make sure the computer is switched off, and firstly we're gonna remove the battery out as well. Okay. Removing the battery. In this case we are using the laptop Lenovo T400. Laptops vary in models, and they're not obviously all the same, so you need to just kind of adapt to how they are made, but typically this is the general rule of how to disassemble the keyboard and the touchpad. At the moment we are just removing all the screws so that we can remove the actual keyboard and the touchpad so that we can clean the inside of the laptop. Some of the laptops will have, as you can see here, the little image beside the screw as a reference as to where this, what does this screw relates to. So for example, this one is for the screen. We're not going to touch that. We just need the ones for keyboard and then the touchpad. Remove all your screws. Make sure you don't lose them. Okay, a couple more screws at the bottom for the touchpad. Okay. So first we're gonna remove the touchpad cover. So gently just separate it from the rest of the laptop. Don't use force too much. Maybe there's some screws that you still need to unscrew, so just make sure you're not gonna break anything. Okay, let's see. Okay, so our touchpad is connected with this little thin wire thingy with this patch to the laptop, so make sure you want to unplug that and then move on to your keyboard. It is attached in the same way, so just gently remove that, and there goes off the keyboard. Now you take your dust remover and just gently spray all the pieces. You really want to make sure that there's no dust in the fan. Okay, that seems to be good. And now we're done. You're gonna return everything in the same order. Just attach gently the keyboard. There we go. That's very simple. Just put it back on. Next is our touchpad. The same way. There we go. Just gently press on. And there you go. all you need to do is put your screws back in. Make sure you're using the right ones. There is at least 2 different types of screws. Okay, now that we put everything back together, attach your battery, and your laptop is good to go. Ready to use, nice and clean. Thank you.